Hi, today I will show you how to easily remove and replace old, very ugly Audio-Technica M50 AirPod cushions. This tutorial is also useful for M20, M30 and M40 model headphones. This way the headphones will be repaired and can be used again for many years. The best thing is that when you buy replacement AirPods, you can also put them on in a different color to personalize your headphones. Links to the new AirPods are in the video description. If you want to enjoy comfort in hot weather also, there is the option of velour AirPods, but for difference between leather and velour AirPods, see the previous video. But now let's get started with removing these old AirPods. Grab the pad from the inside and pull it off. As they are very old, they have stayed hard. And this process is a bit more difficult than it usually is. But the main idea is to pull the AirPod out of the groove of the headphone body. Once you have done this, remove the dirt from the headphone housing. Then remove the AirPod cushion from the other side in the same way and remove the dirt also. To put on the replacement AirPods without any problems, there are a few important steps. First of all, stretch the edge of the AirPod. The other important thing is that the AirPod seam should always be down. Start by inserting the edge of the AirPod into the groove of the headphone body. Once you have inserted a part, the most important thing is to hold the pad edge in the groove on both sides so that it doesn't fall out. Then use your finger from the inside of the AirPod to help you get the rest of the AirPod into the groove. Just remember, as soon as you get an AirPod edge into the groove, hold it in place. And keep doing this until the entire AirPod is in place. At the end, twist it a little so it's in the right place. Then do the same on the other side of the headphones. It is not difficult if you hold the edge of the AirPod cushion in place. Here's the result. New, high-grade look replacement AirPods on Audio-Technica M50 studio monitor headphones. In the next video I will show you how to easily replace the headphone cushion without destroying the headphones. Bye!